Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you all are doing really very well. My name is Neha and I'm here to teach you basic tips, tricks and techniques of makeup. So in today's video, we are going to do this super sultry, super glamorous black smoky eyes. So without further delay, let's start. First, we have to prep our eyelids, and here I'm applying my concealer and blending it with the beauty blender. Set it with a loose powder so that the concealer won't crease over your eyelids. I'll be creating my transition shade over my crease now. You can choose any brown shade, any brown or orange shade to create your transition shades. It's not at all necessary that you have to use the same palette which I'm using. You can choose any brown or orange shades to create your transition. Here I'm just building up the color to intensify it. And here I'm filling up my eyelids with some lighter shade than the transition shades. And here I have created an earthy base for my smoky eyes. And now I'm using my gel eyeliner over my eyelids. Just apply it over your eyelids. Remember, don't go over the crease. Now with the help of a smudger wand, I'm smudging it. Just keep on smudging so that these harsh lines will go away. Repeat the process on the other eye. And here I'm blending the hard edges with my dark brown shade with the blending brush. Just keep on blending. Repeat the process on the other eye. And here I have started using the black eyeshadow color. Just keep on blending everything. Blending is the major and most important technique to make a smoky eye effect. And now I'm applying my eyeliner close to my eyelashes. Here you can see the difference with and without the eyeliner. Repeat the process on the other eye. I wasn't satisfied with the black color that came out. So here I'm just building it up. And now I'll be applying Kohl over my waterline, and this one is my most favorite Kohl. It's from the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes, and it's so smooth, it just glides upon your waterline. And here I'm smudging it. And now I'll be softening up the Kohl with the same brown shade so that it will look smoky from the waterline as well. And here I'm making a pointy little triangle to finish the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm applying my mascara. And here come a bit of Glam. Just put a shiny highlighter just below that inner corner where you made your pointy triangle. Here I'm applying second coat of mascara. If you don't want to use the false lashes, you are done here. This is the final look with mascara, but I'm going to use the falsies to finish my look. So here I am with the false lashes and a complete black smoky eye look. Black smoky eyes look is evergreen. You can do it at any occasion. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like this, more tutorials like this, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates. I'll see you soon with my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay safe. Thanks for watching.